Hi guys, Shannon Stute down at St.Albert Dodge, and I'm coming to you with this Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. It is a beautiful vehicle that has a diamond crystal pearl coat color as well as the tech grade diamond cut wheels. Say that 10 times fast. It is one that I am quite fond of. Typically chrome isn't of the most popular, but this one here, if you look at that front grille, that just screams bling to me. And I like the look. I like the look with the chromed out tow hooks, the chromed out fog lamp bezels. Reminds me of a really, really nice watch. That being said, this is the Overland, so it's going to come with a bunch of features, one of which is the sensor up at the top there, comprised with a sensor down at the bottom. Both of those are going to give you probably one of the coolest cruising features available. That's adaptive cruise control with brake assist. So those are going to mirror the vehicle's speed in front of you. As they speed up, as they slow down, you'll slow down. The vehicle, I don't recommend it, but it actually will come to a complete stop and will also brake for you up to 80 kilometers an hour, I believe, saving you from any kind of accident, mitigating that. As you walk around with me here, we do have the locking and unlocking capability. Press the button to lock, slide your hand to the handle to unlock, as well as a beautiful power lift gate, which makes your life that much simpler. Just 2 touches from the key fob, up comes the lift gate. In the back here, you'll get your security blinds, the upgraded Harman Kardon sound system with subwoofer, as well as a few other things on the inside that we're going to go over together. Come and join me. Here we are on the inside of the Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. I love the stitching. It's got the Overland kind of with like a global gym looking type thing. I don't know if you remember that one from Dodgeball. Not to discredit the Overland look, but it is very cool in itself. We have a beautiful setup, especially starting with the in-cluster display, fully colored, with a bunch of different options for you to scroll through, check out. And then our newly updated 8.4-inch touchscreen, of course, here. That touchscreen is probably one of the coolest touchscreens paired with our Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. As soon as you plug in your phone, everything gets mirrored up to there. But I have to be real with you guys. My favorite thing possible is the steering wheel. There's something to be said about a steering wheel that has not just leather, but a nice, I guess, wood grained touch to the steering wheel to the top. It feels nice. You got to check it out for yourself. Matches the rest of the wood grain, dark kind of a black slate trim, creating a personalized custom experience that you don't see in any other vehicle. Again, the Harman Kardon sound system is in here. It's probably one of the crispest, nicest sound systems that you can get in a vehicle as of this class. So Shannon down at St.Albert Dodge. It's got the big panel roof. It's got the leather seats. It's got the heated and cooled leather seats. It's got the sport mode, the dual exhaust, the V6. I need you to drive this thing. It's super cool. You'll love it. Grand Cherokee is one of my favorites. I think you'll feel the same way as soon as you get into the driver's seat. Shannon Stute, St. Albert Dodge, 780-458-8660.